It's important to us that just about everything we do is something that you have to show up for. And it's this activated space that creates relationships between people and objects. The expectation on museums traditionally has been that you're going to see things. Now we try to have spaces where you can feel or smell or touch things or have relationships with things. In terms of trying to create a mirror to the whole of Kamloops, the Kamloops Museum and Archives is definitely the primary resource to reflect culture and heritage back to Kamloops. So we're almost like a site where these relationships can happen, where exchange can happen. And I sincerely believe that it's important that people's stories get a chance to be heard. I think there are a large number of stories that haven't been heard and a large number of not only unique but fascinating new ways of telling stories about different communities. And I feel quite optimistic about the possibilities of intercultural exchange. First of all, because I believe in leading by listening, and second of all, because exchanging ways of knowing adds to a more comprehensive sense of the world around us. And if the museum can offer that, I think that's an extremely valuable service. We're sort of poised at this moment of cultural explosion with the can-do or the spirit to back that up.